Good morning to all the students. In this lecture, we will see the orientation effects of substituent groups. Before this, we have studied about the what is aromatic compounds, what are the reactions of aromatic compounds, including aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions. Now, how the groups or substituent present on the benzene ring affect the substitution reaction. We called it as a orientation and we will discuss about this orientation in this lecture. Now, orientation effect of substituent groups. There are two types of groups. One are activating group and other are deactivating groups. What are activating groups? Groups, those are present on the benzene ring and they will activate the benzene ring towards the substitution reaction are known as activating groups. And what are deactivating groups? The groups which are present on the benzene ring and they will deactivate the benzene ring towards the electrophilic aromatic substitution. We known or we called them as a deactivating substituents. Now, there are again two types of this substituent. One is ortho-para-directing groups and another is the meta-directing groups. Now, what are the ortho-para-directing groups? The group already present on the benzene ring direct the incoming group to ortho and para position. What does it mean? Suppose there is one benzene ring and the NH2 group present on benzene ring means what is the structure? This will aniline, okay, benzene ring and there is a presence of NH2 group means aniline. Now this NH2 group or aniline undergoes the substitution reaction. So what will happen? Because of presence of NH2 group on the benzene ring, the incoming substituent will be directed on ortho or para group. Means incoming substituent will attach on benzene ring on the position of ortho or para position. Hence, we call them as the ortho or para directing groups. The except alkyl groups, all these groups have a lone pair of electrons on the key atom. Okay, how we will find out what are the ortho para directing group? So, there is a one point that they contain a lone pair of electrons. For example, oxygen, then NH2 group, NHR group, OH, OR, Cl, NHCOR and CH3 group. Now, meta-directing groups. The group already present on benzene ring direct the incoming group to meta position. In this group, key atom have positive charge or attached to more electronegative atom by multiple bond. Okay. So, what will happen? Suppose now in there is one benzene ring and NO2 group present on that benzene ring. What does it mean? It means that this is the nitrobenzene and if we substitute or undergo this reaction of nitrobenzene such as electrophilic aromatic substitution, what will happen? The incoming group will be attached at the meta position of the benzene ring. Hence, we called them as the meta-directing group. Now, what is the key point? That in this group, the key atom have a positive charge. Okay, what we need? A positive charge or attached to a more electronegative atom. For example, NO2, CN, SO3H, CHO, COOH, COCl and NH3 positive. So, these group are the meta-directing group. Now, we will go in detail for activating group and deactivating group. So, firstly we will see the activating group. The groups which increase the reactivity of benzene for further electrophilic substitution are called as activating group. So, as we have discussed earlier, the groups if present on the benzene ring, they will motivate or they will activate the benzene ring for electrophilic substitution reactions and hence we call them as the activating groups. all ortho-para-directing group except halogens. Okay, all ortho-para-directing group except halogens means chlorine or bromine are ring activating group which donate electron to the increase electron density on the benzene ring and make more reactive than benzene towards electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, what we have seen for about ortho and para-directing group, they contain a lone pair of electrons. So these ortho-para-directing group donate the electron pair to the benzene ring and increases the electron density on the benzene ring, and hence benzene ring is more reactive towards electrophilic substitution reaction. For example, OH group NH2, OCH3, NHCOCH3 and CH3 group. Now, deactivating group. The group which decrease the reactivity of benzene ring for further electrophilic substitution are called as the deactivating group. Okay. So, what are the deactivating groups? Those will deactivate the benzene ring towards electrophilic substitution reaction. For example, meta-directing group. Okay, now we have seen that meta-directing groups are having positive charge or they are attached to the more electronegative element. Hence, they already have the less electron density on there. But what will happen? Because of having less electron, they will withdraw electron from the benzene ring and decreases the electron density on benzene ring, and hence benzene ring is less reactive towards the electrophilic substitution reaction. For example, NO2, COOH, CHO, SO3H, Cl, Br, etc. Okay, here exception is that the halogens are orthopara directing but still they are deactivating group. Now, orientation and directive influence of substitution. So, we will discuss now the OH and NH2 group. Directive influence of this OH and NH2 activating groups. So, all ortho-para directing group are activating groups as we have discussed earlier, except alkyl groups. All of them possess at least one lone pair of electrons. Okay, such as on this OH group, O contain the lone pair of electron. In NH2 group, nitrogen contain the lone pair of electron. The lone pair on key atom interacts with pi electron of benzene ring and undergoes delocalization by resonance mechanism. Okay, what will happen? These OH group and NH2 group have lone pair of electrons. They will interact with the pi electron of benzene ring. Means these group are going to donate the electron to the benzene ring. Okay, and these electron are undergo delocalization over the benzene ring by resonance mechanism, thus increasing overall electron density on benzene ring at ortho and para position. Hence, substitution occurs at ortho and para position. Okay, what will it means that if the OH and NH2 group are activating groups are going to donate the electron to the benzene ring, because of resonance phenomena, what will happen? These electrons are going to increase the electron density on or at ortho and para position of the ring. Hence the substitution will occur at ortho and para position of the ring, and hence these groups are the ortho or para directing group. For example, OH group in phenol has ortho para directing influence. For example, in case of phenol, a lone pair of electron present on the oxygen atom and it will interact with the this pi electron of the benzene ring. Okay, and they will undergo the phenomena of the resonance. These electrons are delocalizing by resonance and we will get this canonical structure. Okay, what is going to happen? This lone pair on oxygen is interacting with this double bond. Okay, and we will get the double bond between oxygen and carbon, and oxygen get the positive charge. Okay, now this bond is going to shift over this carbon, and here we will get a negative charge. Now this negative charge or electron are delocalizing on overall ring. So they are going to shift on next carbon. They are going to form the double bond here, and the next bond is going to shift as a lone pair. Okay, so we will get a double bond here and a lone pair on this carbon. Now this lone pair again going to form the bond here, and these bonded electron are going to convert it into lone pair, and we will get the this type of structure. So in all those structure, what we have seen in second structure, this is ortho position where electron density increases. In third structure, this is a para position where electron density is increases, and in the fourth canonical structure, this is the ortho position where electron density is increases. Okay, because of this we will get the substitution reaction in presence of this OH group, means on phenol we will get the substituted electrophile on ortho, para or ortho position. Now, in case of aniline, where NH2 group is present as an activating group, what will happen? In this case also, the lone pair present of NH2 group is going to interact with the pi electron of this benzene ring, and this is going to form bond here. Okay, and here is a positive charge. Now, this bond is going to shift on this carbon as a negative charge or lone pair. Now this negative charge or lone pair is going to disperse on the ring by resonance phenomena. So we will get the this type of canonical structure. Now this bond is going to shift here and forming a bond. This bond is forming a lone pair. Again this lone pair is forming bond here, and this bond is going to shift as the lone pair. Okay. So all this structure, if we go look carefully, what is we will see? We will see that the electron density increases at ortho position. In the third structure, electron density increases on para position. In the fourth structure, electron density increases on ortho. So, this all the structure, if we look carefully, we will see that the electron density only increases at ortho and para position. Hence, the NH2 group is going to direct the incoming electrophile on ortho or para group. Okay, but NH2 group show minus I effect and decrease the electron density on the benzene ring and opposes the effect of produced by resonance. Okay, now this NH2 group is ring activating and ortho para directing group for electrophilic substitution reaction because of presence of a lone pair on the nitrogen of NH2 group. Okay, so both OH group and NH2 group are OH group in phenol and NH2 group in aniline are both the activating group and ortho para directing group. Thank you for watching the video.